More stars in the north are seen not to set, while in the south certain stars are no longer seen to rise. But we should rather follow the wisdom of nature. I hold that completely erroneous views should be shunned. Moreover, why Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars, when they rise in the evening, appear greater than when they disappear and reappear with the sun? More stars in the north are seen not to set, while in the south, certain stars are no longer seen to rise. Although all the good arts serve to draw man's mind toward better things, this function can be more fully performed by this art. Nations are not ruined by one act of violence. For I am not so enamored of my own opinions that I disregard what others may think of them. Every light has its shadow, and every shadow hath the succeeding morning. Of all things visible, the highest is the heaven of the fixed stars. Those things which I am saying now may be obscure, yet they will be made clearer in their proper place. At rest, however, in the middle of everything is the sun. All the spheres revolve about the sun as their midpoint, and therefore the sun is the center of the universe. Finally, we shall place the sun himself at the center of the universe. I am aware that a philosopher's ideas are not subject to the judgment of ordinary persons. We find then in this arrangement an admirable harmony of the world. The earth also is spherical, since it presses upon its center from every direction. Yet, the widespread planetary theories seemed likewise to present no small difficulty. There is no one center of all the celestial circles or spheres. Yet, if anyone believes that the earth rotates, surely he will hold that its motion is natural, not violent. Pouring forth its seas everywhere, then the ocean envelops the earth and fills its deeper chasms. We regard it as a certainty that the earth, enclosed between poles, is bounded by a spherical surface. For a traveler going from any place toward the north, that pole of the daily rotation gradually climbs higher, while the opposite pole drops down an equal amount. In so many and such important ways, then, do the planets bear witness to the Earth's mobility. The Earth, together with its surrounding waters, must in fact have such a shape as its shadow reveals, for it eclipses the moon with the arc of a perfect circle. There may be babblers who dare to condemn my hypothesis. I value them not. The massive bulk of the earth does indeed shrink to insignificance in comparison with the size of the heavens. Mathematics is written for mathematicians. Gravity is merely a certain natural inclination with which parts are imbued by the architect of all things. Nor is it necessary that these hypotheses should be true, nor indeed even probable. Through steady observation, arranged by God's wisdom, who would not be guided to admire the builder who creates all? The center of the earth is not the center of the universe, but only of gravity and of the lunosphere.